Hey everyone, this is Deepak. I am a CBAP certified business analysis professional. In this video, I'll be giving a brief of this one of the most sought after certifications in the BA world, CBAP. So these are the items which I plan to cover in this video. First, I'll be telling what CBAP is, who it is meant for, a brief intro of IIB as an organization, exam eligibility requirements, fees you are supposed to pay to write this exam, exam registration process, exam application timeframes. Then we'll cover exam blueprint, and in that, CBAP pre-certification requirements. So let's start. CBAP stands for Certified Business Analysis Professional. It is a globally recognized professional designation issued by IIBA. So IIBA is a non-profit professional association dedicated to supporting business analysis professionals deliver better business outcomes. They are headquartered in Toronto, Canada. CBAP is one of the most respected designations for BA professionals, and is designed for business analysts who have extensive experience in the business analysis field. It is considered a gold standard in the BA world. CBAP recipients are among the leaders or the senior members of the business analysis community. As per IIBA 2019 Annual Business Analysis Survey, CBAP certified professionals earn 19% more compared to their non-certified peers. So you need to fulfill certain requirements before you can register for the exam. So you need to have at least 7,500 hours of business analysis work ex in the last 10 years. And out of these 7,500 hours of BA experience, a minimum of 900 hours should be completed in 4 of the 6 BA Bock Guide knowledge areas, which should total to at least 3,600 hours of the required 7,500 hours total work ex. You should have completed a minimum of 35 hours of professional development in the last 4 years from an IIBA endorsed education provider. You need to provide 2 references. So the reference can be provided of your career manager or your client or a CBAP recipient. IIBA defines a career manager as someone responsible for providing and preparing the applicant's annual performance review. You need to agree to IIBA's code of conduct and terms and conditions. Only if you fulfill this criteria, you are eligible to register for CBAP exam.
So CBAP certification cost comprises IIBA membership fees, application fees, and the exam fee. There is a different fee for members and non-members. Also, as you can see, the membership fee varies by different regions. Though IIBA membership is not mandatory to apply for the certification, there are a host of benefits to IIBA membership, which include discounted certification exam fee, discounted recertification fees, a free PDF copy of the BA Bock Guide, networking opportunities, and many more. So let's take example of someone who is based out of a region 1 country, say US or Canada. So he'll have to pay IIBA membership of $125, application fee of $125, and the exam fee of $325 USD, which results in a total of $575 USD. In case he doesn't opt for IIBA membership, he'll have to pay USD 125 for the application fee and USD 450 for the exam fee, which again results in a total of 575 USD. Now let's take example of someone who is based out of a region 3 country, say India or Egypt. So if he opts for IIBA membership fee, he'll have to pay $55 for the membership, $125 for the application, and $325 for the exam fee, which results in a total of 505 USD. In case he doesn't opt for IIBA membership, then he'll have to pay the same amount as someone who is based out of other regions, say region 1 or region 2. And he'll have to pay a total of 570 USD to write the exam. So there is no brainer whether you should opt for the membership or not. You can refer IIBS website to know which countries fall into which region. So I have given the link of the site as well.
Now coming to the exam registration process. To register for the exam, you first need to register at IIBS website. Then you need to select your certification level, which should be CBAP. Then you need to pay the application fee of USD 125. Then you need to add all the evidences which makes you eligible to write the CBAP exam. Then you need to wait for application approval. Once the application gets approved, only then you can pay the exam fee and then schedule your exam. So I plan to make a separate video on CBAP registration process where I'll show the detailed step-by-step process to register for the exam. Now coming to exam application timeframes. So once you register on IIBS website and pay your application fee, then you'll get an immediate acknowledgement through the email saying that your application has been created. Then you can go ahead and add all the evidences which makes you eligible to write the CBAP exam. Once you submit your application, then your application will be evaluated immediately, and you will get a notification whether your application has been approved or it is selected for a random audit. So in case your application is selected for a random audit, IIBA will reach out to the references that you have provided in your application and validate all the other details. It comes back with its decision within a month's time. In case your application fails the audit, then you will receive an email from IIBA which mentions the reason and the next steps to reapply or appeal the decision. Once your application gets approved, then you will have an year's time to write the exam from the date of your application getting approved. In case your application gets declined, then you can reapply only after 3 months. That too after you have remedied the reasons for audit not passing. In case you were not able to clear the exam in the first attempt, then you can write the exam only after 3 months wait. Now coming to exam blueprint. So CBAP exam consists of 120 scenario and case study based multiple choice questions, and there's a time limit of 3.5 hours to complete that exam. So the exam is based on core concepts of business analysis and the 6 knowledge areas of the BA BOK Guide version 3. So here I have given the weightage of different knowledge areas of the BA BOK and the number of questions that you can expect from these different knowledge areas. You can see that requirements analysis and design definition knowledge area carries the highest weight of 30%, and you can expect close to 36 questions from this knowledge area. About CBAP recertification requirements. So CBAP professionals are required to maintain their certification by satisfying the recertification program requirements. So as per IIBA, the 2 key reasons for the recertification program are to ensure that the BA professional is keeping up with the changes in the profession and to ensure that the BA professional contributes to the profession. So to recertify for the CBAP designation, you need to earn a minimum of 60 continuing development units every 3 years from the date of certification. Once you have earned these CDUs, then you can go ahead and pay the recertification fee, which is $85 for the IIBA members and $120 for the non-members. So that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video useful. If you like the video, please click on like and subscribe the channel. If there is any other information which you would like to have regarding CBAP certification, please share in the comments, or you can also drop us an email at upskilllounge@gmail.com. Take care and see you in the next video.